Hey guys, it's July 2020. Are you a Windows user but you're still not using Windows 10? Or maybe you are using Windows 10 but it's time to do a reinstallation. You're not happy with how it's all got bloated and slowed down since you've installed all that software. Well, whatever the reason you want to go to Windows 10, this video will hopefully help. I'm going to take you through how you browse for the software that you need, and we're going to get it directly from Microsoft, and that's important. We don't need any third-party tools. Microsoft will provide all the tools for free that we need to do what we want. And all we'll need is a computer that we're going to install Windows 10 to. We need a USB stick with at least 8 gigs of storage space, and we just need a computer that we can get to a web browser and download some software. So let's start, and we'll do a Google search for Windows 10 installation software. Okay, the first website that comes up is from Microsoft, microsoft.com. Download the Windows 10 disk image. So we're going to go ahead and click that. So we've got the option of updating now or downloading the Windows 10 installation media. So we're going to click download the tool now, and we're going to save that file. We'll open up the folder where that sits. We'll close our web browser now, we don't need that. And there's the media creation tool. Depending on how quick your internet connection is and how fast your computer is, within a minute or two you get prompted with a software license agreement. So let's be diligent, we'll read through, we'll spend 15 minutes making sure that we agree with all the limitations and exclusions, and then accept. A few more minutes go past and we get the option to upgrade our PC or create the installation media. We're going to say we want to create the installation media. We already have the option selected for us. We can choose to select other options, but we're just going to take the defaults. And then we get prompted for, do we want a USB drive or an ISO file? And if we're going to use an ISO file, we need a DVD writer to create that. So we're going to go for USB flash drive. Well, if you click next at that point and your USB drive's not plugged in, nothing much will happen. Let's plug the USB drive in and try again. Okay, Windows has found my USB drive. We're going to click next. And now we verify our download. Okay, so that took about 15-16 minutes or so, and our USB drive is ready. All we need to do is plug it into our computer, reboot, and install Windows 10. And so that nobody feels left out, here's what it looks like if we selected the DVD image option. And the reason I'm doing this will become apparent shortly. And there we go, we can open our DVD burner and burn the image, or we can open the file directly. We'll have a look in Windows. So we've got the disk image there in our downloads folder. Windows actually supports mounting this file type, which is called an ISO file, directly in Windows. If we double click, there we go, we have an F drive, and that's our Windows disk. I'll eject that now, and I'm going to mount it to a virtual computer. So I've installed a piece of software called Oracle VirtualBox, and although this isn't part of the tutorial, just explain why I've done so, why I'm showing you this. It's a tool that allows me to run a virtual copy of Windows 10 inside my existing Windows 10. Or in other words, it's going to allow me to continue to record my laptop screen for you all to see and demonstrate the installation process. So we'll start the computer up. And as we can see, it can't start, there's no bootable media, and the hard disk is blank, so there isn't an operating system on there. So we'll go to our devices, we'll go to our optical drive, and we'll insert our Windows 10 image that we've created. We'll give the computer a restart. So there we go, we're now booting from our installation media that we downloaded from Microsoft. And we can now start the installation process. Well, I hope you all found that useful and interesting, and if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave those below, and if you'd like to see more content from me in future, please click the subscribe button. Thanks very much for watching.